Weight loss patches like the Glorenda Patch are everywhere on social media, promising easy fat loss without dieting or exercising. But the big question is, does the Glorenda Patch actually work or is it just hype? Let's break down the claims versus reality. The Glorenda Patch is marketed as a transdermal weight loss aid. You stick it on your skin, supposedly absorb active ingredients, and let it help your body burn fat, suppress appetite, and boost metabolism all day long. Sounds like a dream, but super simple solutions usually require serious scrutiny. Here's the key point. There's no solid scientific evidence that skin patches alone can cause meaningful weight loss. Some medications like nicotine or hormone patches work because they deliver clinically verified drugs at controlled doses, but most over-the-counter weight loss patches contain herbal extracts or general ingredients with limited evidence for real fat loss. Any weight change is more likely from diet, exercise, hormones, or medical treatment, not a simple patch. Typical ingredients in products like this may include green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, caffeine, or plant extracts. These can have very mild effects on metabolism, but not enough by themselves to cause meaningful weight loss without behavior change. And patch formulations face another problem. The skin isn't an effective delivery route for most of these compounds unless they're formulated as medical transdermal drugs, not supplements. So even if ingredients have some weight-related benefits in pills or powder form, that doesn't mean they work from a patch. User feedback on weight loss patches in general is mostly mixed to negative. Some say they had slight reduced cravings or felt more aware of their eating while using it. But that might be placebo effect or behavior change, not direct fat loss. A lot of people report no measurable difference, no appetite control, and no weight loss linked to the patch. Some users see results only when coupling a patch with diet and exercise, making it hard to say the patch did anything. So even positive anecdotes are not strong evidence the patch is the reason for weight loss. Here are some of its pros. It's easy to use. Just stick it on. Some people might feel more mindful about diet and habits, and ingredients if listed are often generally safe. However, there's no strong clinical evidence that patches alone reduces fat. Any weight change is likely due to lifestyle, not the patch. Marketing claims often oversell benefits. So does the Glorenda patch actually help with weight loss? Not by itself. There's no reliable scientific proof that a patch alone can make you lose significant weight. Real results generally come from calorie control, exercise, and sustainable lifestyle changes, not a single sticky patch. Think of the Glorenda patch as a possible support tool, not a weight loss solution on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.